Hey guys, today I want to briefly discuss with you essential oil blends and how often you should be using your blends and how long essential oils can stay in the body. I've had quite a few people ask me, I have my essential oil blends, is it okay if I use them more than once? Can I reapply my oil blends? Is it safe, and how often should I be doing that? So today we'll be discussing just that. So in order to understand a little bit about the application method, I do want to go over two things about aromatherapy and why it's an important two-step process. So the first step of aromatherapy for your blends is topical application, and the second step is inhalation. So the topical application is when we apply our blend to our pulse points. Your pulse points are where the blood vessels are close to the skin surface. So that means that the blood is flowing, you can feel the warmth of your pulse points, and that just means that the oils will heat up quicker and they'll be absorbed into the bloodstream faster. Your pulse points are going to be your wrist and inner elbows, behind your knees and behind your ears, and on your neck. Inhalation is the most direct way to get the benefits of the essential oils, because the chemical messengers that live in our nasal cavity have direct access to the brain. So it's a very quick way to get our essential oils working faster. So I'm going to talk to you about the headache relief blend. So for instance, I like to use this blend. I like to evaluate my headache after I use it every 15 to 20 minutes. And I reapply if I still have a headache. So the best way to apply your blends, this goes for any of your blends in the Herbal Apothecary line or just the stress relief line, any of your blends you can use this. So for a headache, I like to put it near my face. For like relaxation, I'll do my wrists and my neck. But a headache, I really like to target my temples and behind my ears. So take your blend and I'm gonna roll it 5 times on each pulse point. So here, on this temple, behind your ear, and behind the other ear. And because it feels really good, I like to roll it 5 times on just the back of my spine there. And then my last step is I'm gonna dab a little bit on the top of my nose and underneath my nose and breathe it in. Just a big, deep inhalation. That way I know for sure the oils are going right into my brain and doing their job. So that's a really, really effective way to apply your essential oils. And the inhalation part of it is just a really, really good end of applying your oils. That way you can really breathe it in and it smells good and it goes right to your brain. So what I would do is then wait about 15 to 20 minutes and see how I feel. If my headache is still present and it's still lingering, I'm gonna do the same thing and reapply. My goal is to not have a headache, so I'm gonna keep doing that until my headache goes away. It's completely fine and completely safe to keep applying your blends every 15 to 20 minutes. I do recommend during times of anxiety or high stress, any of your blends like your anti-anxiety blend, like especially before you have a presentation and you feel nervous, apply this blend every 15 minutes on your neck, on your chest, on your wrist, and really, really inhale it. The oils work best the more consistent you are. So keep that in mind. Don't ever be afraid to use your oil blends more than once. And don't be afraid to layer. Layering is great because the oils will each do their own job and it's very, very effective. I like to layer my Warrior and my Exhale blend, especially before a flight when I get anxious about flying. So I like to smell the Exhale more than the Warrior. So I'll apply the Warrior like my elbows and behind my knees and the bottom of my feet. Remember, the feet are a great place to apply your oils because you've got very big pores. And then I'll apply my Exhale near my face, my chest, and my neck. And that way I can breathe it in and let the oils do their job. So don't be afraid to use your oil blends more frequently. And remember, the more you use them, the better they work. And the oils will last in your bloodstream about 4 to 6 hours, which is great. But if you're actively having symptoms, then it's definitely okay to keep applying your blends until the symptoms subside. And that goes for your headaches and your belly aches and maybe your respiratory support. So I hope that helps you guys out. If you have any questions, please comment, direct message me. Just let me know if you have any comments or concerns. I'm here to help you, and I want you to feel super safe using your essential oil blends and comfortable. So I'm here to help you guys out. Just let me know if you have any comments or concerns. Okay guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks.